Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these garlic ham and cheese sliders. For the ingredients, you'll need King's Hawaiian rolls, minced garlic, garlic salt, parsley, sliced Swiss cheese, shaved ham, and butter. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and cut the rolls in half. Then place them in a baking dish and start layering the cheese and ham. After that, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Then add whatever amount of parsley, garlic salt, and minced garlic you'd like. Then put the top of the rolls on and spoon or brush the butter mixture onto the rolls. Put the rolls into the oven until the cheese is melted. And that's it! They taste so good, and I actually ended up eating 4 of them myself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.